I am raising the concern towards the shop placed over in the middle of the ground as of someone else's message. There is a shop selling the firecrackers, and you cannot sell anything as such amid the residential area. It is against the law because that ground is surrounded by the houses, and I am raising the concern towards it because if they fire anything, that will reach that particular shop close by, and it will be the huge disaster. I don't know who is giving the license for it, and if you are selling something like that, you will be punished. And this is not at all right. You cannot place the store in the ground that is located in the residential area surrounded by the houses that is quite close to the ground, the playground. So it should be cleared, and I am requesting the authorities to clear the shop as soon as possible. Thank you.